I want a pizza after every workout.
Well, you want, but you don't have.
No.
It's different.
Honestly,
you're
like,
allowed to want whatever you want.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. But before we get into this fun episode where we do talk about pizza, unfortunately last week we didn't hit the count that we needed to hit on the like button in order to give away the protein powder. So if you guys get us to 130 likes, I'm going to give away a free tub of protein from our friends at Earth Nutri. Comment down below the question of the day, which is at the end of this video. Click the like button, make sure you subscribe as well, and you'll be entered into the contest for the protein powder. So just do that, get us to 130 likes, and let me hook you up some protein powder. With that said, let's get into today's episode.
On Twitter from Kat Zinski, at ZinskiCat. Is it normal to be super hungry after workout days? I don't know if my body is telling me to feed or it's just cravings.
Oh.
Get that afterburn, I think.
Absolutely. And yes, that is normal and
Yeah.
healthy and good. And part of the reason why working out helps you live lean.
Yeah,
because
it's
it increases
spiking
your
metabolism.
Yeah.
So is it normal to be
It's
super
normal.
hungry? Definitely. Like, you're gonna notice if you have like a heavy leg day, you're gonna be way more hungry than if you just have a walk around.
And you'll notice if you just like lounge around for a couple of days, like say you are injured or sick or whatever, you lose your appetite.
But you ask, is it telling me to feed it or is it just cravings? So it's like, yes, we want you to feed it, but we don't want you to be...
You can't use it as an excuse to binge eat or like completely blow out your calories.
Yeah, but I would recommend that if it is like a heavy leg day that you're feeling it on, like that is a good day to have a pizza.
Oh, for sure. Absolutely. Yeah.
Because your body is, just needs more nutrients in it. So that's a good way to do it.
But you wouldn't want to have a pizza after every workout because that's not going to work out for you.
I do. I want a pizza after every workout.
Well, you want, but you don't have.
No.
It's different.
Honestly,
you're
like,
allowed to want whatever you want.
I have pizza, we had our pizza today and I feel good for another week. Because I don't just have one little mini slice of like this healthified pizza. Like, no, we had Domino's pizza.
But if I were to offer you another pizza tomorrow, do you think you'd eat it?
No.
If it was in front of you now?
Maybe tomorrow night, give me 24 hours maybe. Man. But I don't.
We were kind of discussing recently at the point we're at with living lean, like how many cheat meals per week would it take for us to really notice a backslide, Remember when we had that conversation? And you were saying like you think maybe you could get away with 2, 3
Well,
per week.
I think at my body fat percentage and my workout styles and everything, that I could get away with a full cheat day.
Yeah.
So that would mean like 3 to 4 cheat. Everything I eat on a Sunday could be a cheat.
Oh, you'd feel like.
And I think I could get away with that. But then if you break that down, it's like, okay, well maybe if you just rather than having it all in one day, you just had one cheat meal every second day.
Yeah.
So.
But even still, I just feel like that would mess with your head. Like you'd start to feel like you're not healthy anymore.
Yeah. All right, if you're ready to live lean, go get our free 7-day Live Lean Starter Guide. You'll discover the workout and the nutrition secrets to simplify your journey to healthy and sustainable results that last forever. So the Starter Guide includes a 7-day workout schedule comprised of 7 Live Lean workouts focused on fat burning, lean muscle building, athleticism, and mobility. And every workout includes exercise demo videos. You'll also receive a free 7-day Live Lean meal plan, which includes step-by-step cooking videos for every single recipe. So go join thousands of others and get this free instant access to all this, plus our 5 steps to start living lean today. Click the link to sign up for free in the description below.
Question of the day: do you find working out makes you more hungry? Share your experiences in the comment section below. Okay, now I want you to go watch this video right over here on how to use cheat meals and boost metabolism. I share my 6 rules. Go watch it over here.